Previously I reacted to Baden Clam Festival. This is that festival for Jaintia people, right? Jaintia Festival, right? So I just came to know this is where they used to celebrate it, guys, and they used to lift something. They carry that something which look like a triangle. Baden Clam Festival. Yes. I know about that.
Yes.
And in that festival also, like before starting, they used to do a sacrifice of maybe chicken and pork. I mean pig. Yeah, they sacrifice pig and chicken, guys. So I came finally on that point, guys. Oh my God, let me just have a selfie. Yo. So every year they celebrate here only or different place?
Yeah, only.
Okay,
For
only
Jowai.
for Jowai people. Okay. This is so nice.
That place is called Ajnar, no?
Huh?
They used to celebrate it there only.
Okay.
You can see from here.
Yeah, I reacted to one video, and that video I saw that point only.
Okay, let me tell you.